Beautiful homegirls and my handsome homeboys. In today's video, we are going to be doing a square with I am doing dip powder. I want to go ahead and blend right here, so that's what I'm doing now with my drill. I cut them down some, and after I cut them down, I just went in and made sure that the side walls matched up. I'm doing squares, so I really didn't have to do a lot, of course, but yeah. So you go with the dip prep twice if you're doing dip, and if you're doing dip with tips, I suggest you go in like I just did with the drill and, you know, blend it in, make your life easier. Next, we're gonna go in with the dip base. Woo! Y'all, this is hard to open, and I'm home alone, so I don't got nobody to open it for me. But we're gonna have to get this open because I'm not about to stop this video. Ah! Y'all, what the world? Okay. Yeah, so I definitely just did what everyone's asking did she do. Yeah, definitely just used my teeth because this is not going to stop my video, period. Oh my god. So anyways, let me make sure you guys can see everything well. Zoomed in a little too much, but yes, so I'm gonna be doing hot pink, and if you know me, you know I like to go from pinky up. And here's what we're gonna do. I use the 3 bead method when I'm doing whatchamacallit. I use the 3 bead method when I'm doing acrylic, and this is actually my first. I've used dip powder plenty of times, but this is my first time using it with the tips. But child, I'm running low on monomer, so I gotta make this work.
I'm actually so excited, but it's my first time using it with the tips, and the process is the same. But yeah, you're kind of going to use the 3 bead method. You want everything to be even though, you know, you don't want to do a lot of filing. And dip powder is set up to where you don't have to do a lot of filing. But yes, so I did this. I just went in and did it for the second time on the free edge, right? I'm going to wait a couple of seconds, and then I just go in and lightly brush. Okay? Now, I'm going to go again on the free edge. So 3 times on the free edge. Oh guys, I'm going in, out, really quick. So I did that 3 times on the free edge, and I'm going to go through and do that to all of my nails.
Now it's time to go in with number 3, the dip activator. The dip activator is just going to harden everything. So be extremely generous. Extremely generous. All those layers you just done, this liquid has to touch all, and I do mean all, those layers you just did. Tips for if you're going to use a drill, you want it on a very, very low setting. A very, very low setting. And it should harden within a minute. So we're gonna go ahead and drill. Remember, you want it on a low setting. And when I do square, and I don't do square often, I usually do ballerina or coffin, mostly ballerina. But when I do square, I like for it to be very, very nice and sharp. Like, yeah, I'm a square nail, and I'm here, period. You get what I'm saying? So now I'm dusting off my nails, and then I'm going to go in with the dip activator again. And we're gonna go in with the dip activator again because we just did all that shaping and filing, and we just want to make sure that everything is secured and hard. Even if you don't feel anything soft, you still want to go in. And you don't have to go in as much as you did when you first went in. It's kind of like a security blanket. Then we're gonna get into all of the decorating and things like that. Okay, so here are the nails, and we're about to go ahead and get started in all of the deco. So you want more gel than So as you guys can see, from here on it's just pretty much doing the black decorations, which is what drew me to this nail design. Actually, I really just winged it. I winged all of it, but I had an idea of how I wanted to do it. So yeah, there will be a shift in lighting because I started and then I had to do something and then I had to come back and finish. So there will be a shift in lighting later on in the video, but don't ignore that. Don't ignore that. LOL. Do ignore that. Ignore that. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go in and add dots, kind of give it the night type vibe. And it's crazy because today's Saturday, so I believe these nails have been on for a week. It has not been a week, but they've been on since Tuesday, and I'm so ready to take them off, but I'm not home, so I will be taking these off when I get home Sunday, and hopefully I get home early and I go ahead and start a new set. But this is the shift I was telling you guys about, the lighting shift. But on my pinky, I'm just going in, and I wanted to do a spider web. It's my first time doing something like this, so that's a lot. And I already know how I want to do my nails next, so I'm so excited. But here are my nails now. I'm going to go in on my thumb and just put this glitter there. Apparently I wasn't recording for some of it because it kind of shuts off very weirdly. It shuts off in the middle of me doing a design, so that's kind of weird, but I'm sorry. I wasn't recording. But yeah, this one I do a ghost, which y'all are going to see at the end how it turned out. But as this video is coming to an end, remember, nobody is going to what's hard for you as you are for yourself. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for a shout out on Instagram, and tag Tootsienailss or only Docketeria. All of that information is down in the description box below, and here are how my nails turned out. I'm really happy with them. I had to go ahead and get my Halloween nails out the way. If you are wondering about my other hand, this hand, that video is also already posted, so make sure you go check that out. And again, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and tag.